Okay, Zoe. I need you to say hi to Nan. Come on. That's a hiccup. That's not a hello. No.